Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove profile picture on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile and click on change photo. And here you have three options: take photo, select from gallery, view photo. You simply need to click on take photo, and you simply need to turn off the flashlight, and you simply need to take a picture like this and click on the tick mark, and you update that onto your profile picture. So this is our first process, and the other way is to open Google and search your default profile picture. Okay, and click on images and select anyone from here. So I'm going to select this one for an example. Okay, then you need to go back onto the TikTok and select from gallery, and then you need to select click on downloads. So this is the picture, so this is the small picture, so let me select anyone that is the bigger, so that we are here to show you download image. Okay, and let me select this one that I downloaded recently. Select from gallery, and here in downloads you will find that, but it is also small. So you need to select the image from here. From Google you can find a bigger image, so let me check this one. Okay, so I think this will help us. Select from gallery, downloads. Okay, so this is also small, so you need to download image from Google, and you simply need to select that here, and you can easily change your profile picture on TikTok. So this is our process by which you can change profile picture or remove your profile picture on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.